Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So this is my first lecture and I'm going to start from polynomials. Okay, polynomials class 9th and chapter number 2 I'm going to start. So before proceeding to polynomials, first I'm going to explain you about algebraic expressions. What do we mean by algebraic expressions? You have already learnt about algebraic expression in your previous class. Sure. In your previous class, you have learnt about algebraic expressions. What do we mean it? The terms which are combination of constant and variables. The terms which are combination of constant and variables connected with some operations. And what are these operations? These operations can be plus, minus, multiply or divide. These are the four operations. Maybe one operation or with the all operations. So this is we called as algebraic expression, combination of constant and variables connected with some or all operations. This is algebraic expressions. And where terms are separated by plus or minus sign. What do we mean by terms? What do we mean by terms here? Like I have written one algebraic expression here, that is 2x square minus 5x minus 10. How many terms in this algebraic expression? As you can see, if we count the number of terms, okay, this is one term, two term and three term. There are how many terms in this algebraic expression? There are three terms in this algebraic expressions, as you can see. How many terms in this algebraic expression? This algebraic expression have two terms. This algebraic expression 7x only how many terms? One term. Okay. And here what do we mean by constant and variables? 2, 5 and 10. These are the constant terms. These are the constant terms. And here x square and x, these are the variables. Here x is the variable. In this algebraic expression, x is the variable and these are the constant terms. Likewise, 3 and 5 is the constant here. 3 and 5 is the constant here and x is the variable. Likewise, 7 is the constant here and x is variable. X is variable. Okay, understood about variables and constant in this algebraic expressions. Now let us proceed to the concept of polynomials. What do we mean by polynomials? Okay, so what do we mean by a polynomial? In an algebraic expression, if powers of these expressions are non-negative. Non-negative means all the whole numbers 0 to infinite. In an algebraic expressions, if the powers are non-negative or you can say positive or whole numbers, then we can say the given expression is a polynomial. I have taken some examples here like x cube minus 4x square plus 6x minus 1. As you can see, the powers or exponents here. What is the exponent here in this expression? 3, 2 or here 1. These are the exponents. As you can see, all the exponents or all the powers are positive or you can say non-negative here. All the exponents are non-negative here. Exponents are non-negative. Similarly, 2y raised to power 4 plus 6y cube minus 8y plus 2 by 3. In this equation also, in this expression also, as you can see, the powers are non-negative. 4, 3, 1 and here it is 0. Similarly, in this expression 3x square plus 5x plus 2, as you can see, all the powers or exponents are positive here, or you can say whole numbers. Powers should be in the whole numbers or exponent should be in the whole numbers. This is the definition of a polynomial if an algebraic expression have non-negative powers or non-negative exponents. Then we can say this given algebraic expression is a polynomial here. Which of the given below expressions is a polynomial here? Let us see. In the first expression, 2x square plus 3x plus 1 by 4. As you can see, all the exponents or powers here are non-negative or whole numbers. 2x square positive, here power 1 and here x raised to power 0 is the exponent. And in the second expression, 2y square plus root 2y minus 30. Again, it's a polynomial because as you can see all the exponents are positive here. Here exponent 2 y raised to power 2 and here y raised to power 1. All the positive exponents here. And the third expression, as you can see, the exponent of x is 1 by 2 here plus 3x raised to power exponent 1 here and plus 7. As you can see the exponent here is not a whole number. 1 by 2 we know is not a whole number. Is not a whole number. So this given expression is not a polynomial. This is not a polynomial. Polynomial, but these two given algebraic expressions are polynomials because they contains all the positive powers. Here positive power of x and here positive powers. What do we mean by coefficient? Suppose this is the given polynomial 7x cube minus 5x square plus 3x minus 2. This is the given polynomial. What do we mean by coefficients here? The constant term preceding to the variables are the coefficient. Like what is the coefficient of x cube here? What is the constant term? X cube have 7 as its constant term. So this is the coefficient of x cube. Likewise, what is the coefficient of x square? The coefficient of x square is, with symbol you have to consider, minus 5. The coefficient of x square is minus 5 and the coefficient of x is plus 3. Coefficient of x cube is 7 here. Coefficient of x square is minus 5 here. The coefficient of x is 3 here. And what is the constant term? The constant term is minus 2 here. In this expression, the constant term is minus 2 here. So, do you understand what are the coefficients? Coefficients are वो टर्म जो वेरिएबल्स के बिल्कुल आगे है, आगे लगी है, उसे हम कोफिशिएंट्स बोलते हैं. The term preceding to the variables are called as coefficients.